Why were you hiding from me at school today?
Excuse me, who are you? I don't remember talking to you before.
You forgot about me? You literally gave me flowers today after class.
And I told you to give them to Jessica. You thought they were for you?
Oh, they weren't? I'm sorry for getting confused then.
You dumb, ugly girl. I'd never look at you romantically.
That's rude, Tyler.
Who told you my secret name? I keep that only for my girlfriend and best friends.
I just saw it on your old Facebook account.
You go away from me, you stalker!
You won't say thank you to me?
Why would I?
I saved your life today. That crazy car almost hit you, but I grabbed you just in time.
And you got me dirty with your filthy hands. My mom is still washing my jacket.
But I just wanted to save you, Tyler.
Don't you dare use this name again. And who let you touch me, weirdo?
But without me, you'd be dead or in the hospital.
What a bunch of nonsense. I was already well without you. In fact, you almost pushed me to the car.
I did not do that.
Who gave you permission to raise your voice against me?
I'm so sorry.
I asked our headmaster to expel you from our school. You're being abusive and you almost got me killed.
Why did you lie? Also, the next closest school is 30 miles away.
That sounds like a you problem. I won't even wish you good luck.
My parents will be so mad after this. Did I ever tell you that my father is abusive?
Did I ever ask you to tell me?
No.
Then leave me alone and never talk to me again.
Tyler, help, my father is angry. He's going to do something very bad. You're the only one I can talk to.
Thanks for reminding me to block you.